Hello, this is Vita from BBY here, and today I will show the way we use the curly hair. Yeah, I know some customer have experience in using the hair, but the hair from us with thin hair have some character like that. So I want to notice with the customer about it. Our hair is from raw hair like this, and when we make thin wavy or curly, we make steam for it and don't remove cuticle and add chemical on it for very short. So our hair is very dry when you comb the hair when it dries. The one thing you have to apply is using the hair with conditioner when the hair curly or wavy like this. Okay. If you let the hair curly, this is the kinky loose 14 inches from raw hair double run. And if you get the hair like this and comb like this, it's very look tangle hair and sometimes setting. And it's then is the hair very frizzy for you. Yeah, and the hair is not very nice. Maybe if you want the hair very close, very frizzy, you can do like that. But makes the hair very tangled, yeah, and setting, yeah. When I let the hair curly to come, it's like this from pinky loose hairs, yeah. From pinky loose, and when I let it to come, it's like this. You see, it's like this. Yeah, sometimes it's tangled so much, especially with this comb. This is long, this is the short hair, so when you comb it sometimes it's not very tangled like long hair. But if the hair is longer than the 20 inches, if you comb like this, the hair very frizzy and tangled. Yeah, it will be like this for you. And I often recommend customer with the curly hair when you use. We often use with the conditioner like this. If you don't wash the hair, I recommend you wash the hair with conditioner. If you don't wash the hair, you can use the conditioner with the water like this and let the hair is wet with the water with conditioner like this. Here. Yeah, firstly, once the hair is wet with conditioner and water, yeah, you can see. For the hair soft, and not tangled. Yeah, not tangled like the hair is dry. Yes. When you install the wig, I also recommend you make the hair like this before you install you open the wig, yeah, for the hair not tangled. Yeah, okay, let the hair is short. Yeah, it's shorter. It's not very dry. It's not tangled like when the hair dry. Yeah, right. And then you can use the comb, yeah, to comb it. This will be very easy. You can see it's easy for you to comb the hair like this. Yeah, this will be better for you, and the hair not very dry, not very frizzy. The hair very it is better. You can see, and come from the bottom to the top. Come from the bottom to the top, step by step. For the hair very nice. You can see. For the hair very nice, you can see it's better, it's softer and silky. Yeah. It does not have a tangle or static. You can see it will be better. If you want it more wet, you can use more with the water like this, and then you can come more. This will be more silky like this for you. This is from the kinky curly, kinky loose. This steam hair, yeah, not natural curly, because in Vietnam not hair natural curly or very wavy. only make steam. So our hair, we want to keep full cuticle, so the hair very strong. Yeah, yeah, you can see, and you can let it like this to use, or you can let it like this to dry. It's going to be keep like this for you. It's very nice, right? Very sharp and silky. Okay, it's silky here. Yeah, better. Yeah, with the hair when you comb, when it dry, it's not, it's like freezing, and when it when I comb, it's very tangled, very tangled. Yeah, very tangled. Yeah, very tangled, not silky. Yeah, so different of the way to do is, yeah, when you open the web to making the wig, you also should to make it wet with conditioner. Okay, it's very nice, right? Silky and soft. It's very pleasing. Yeah, yeah, you can see the difference. Okay, thank you so much.